Hello there guys, and welcome to yet another video on SEPA channel. Today's video is going to be about Waze. We're going to use Waze on Android Auto. It's on a Peugeot 508. It's not going to make that much of a difference because the screen is still going to be a screen regardless. So welcome to Waze. It's pretty similar to Google Maps. I wonder why, because it's kind of by the same company. So obviously the first thing you need to do will be to think about that. If you want to check the settings, you have this COG wheel, the cog wheel here, and then I have different settings. And if you want to look for something, just click on the search. You can search by typing in, and you have the keyboard here. As an example, I can also type in directly from my phone. It's an option that you can choose from Android Auto, or if you want, you can say something. Find me Sainsbury's petrol station. Obviously this is guided by Google anyway, so it's gonna take you to the right place. It's very similar, now thinking about it, on the phone. So if you are actually on the mobile app, it looks a bit different. Arguably you could say, you know, the way the map looks, it's a bit more different than Google Maps, but it's not like that much of a deal. So if you want to add like a stop point, you can do the same thing. Just gonna write in here what's gonna be the stop point. Now you can zoom in and out depending on how you kind of prefer. Obviously you can also navigate through a journey and see where the journey is gonna be. You can use your fingers as well, and then if you want to point it back, you have this button here. What was that? Let's try again. Right, if you click here, it's gonna technically show you which of the routes you can get. It's gonna show you what's the best estimated time. Obviously you'll want to choose the best one, but if you prefer to go like to certain routes because just, I don't know, you know, the roads are better, feel free to do so. And if you click in there, you can choose the same as in Google Maps to avoid toll roads, avoid ferries, and also avoid motorways. At the moment I have an avoid toll roads. Generally speaking, I keep that because, you know, why not? You never know what things might happen. And also I do a lot of burning up and back and down the country. So there is one highway in there which is being paid. Let's see what else do we have. The sound settings, sound on, off, and alerts only. And then I will say this is just about it. Once you set up the destination, let's start driving and let's see how this is gonna look like. If it's gonna adjust, if it's gonna look okay, nice, you know, what we think about it. And I'm not sure it's much to expect from it, to be honest. It's still, you know, yet another you know, map application. What's different with Waze is that for some reason people are using it more, and they also pick up different things on the way, you know, accident, police, whatever, cameras and stuff like that. So it's a bit more mindful when it comes to that. Obviously you can't trust it to 110% because, you know, you never know when things might change. So it's just an information to kind of give you an idea about potentially what might be on the road. Let's put it that way. When it comes to estimating time and, you know, having an updated traffic, there is, for some reason, I guess it really depends on, you know, what users are using it. There is a bit of a difference between Google Maps and Waze, but not that much. So usually they estimate both of them. They estimate pretty right, I will say. So yeah, guys, this is kind of how it works. You shouldn't be able to do much while driving for, you know, obvious reasons, except for just, you know, finding a destination. And you can also look for like recent destinations. You have a couple of categories. So if you want to go and find the fuel station, if you want to grab something to eat, if you're looking for a parking, or if you're looking for a coffee shop, a drive-through, shopping, and a pharmacy, which again, it's quite useful. You have something that you can top, because you're not always going to be in an area that you know, so you may as well make it easy. Let's see how many fuel stations we have around. And well, it's taking its time, isn't it? Okay, so I guess it's pretty right. We have the Tesco back, Jet it's at the front at the right. Right, so let's try again. Find me Sainsbury's petrol station. Well, find me Sainsbury's petrol station. Okay, well, what is this? Find me cooking. Find me. Let's try again. Find me Sainsbury's petrol station. Please. Maybe one day. Sainsbury's petrol station. I think we broke it. Yeah, most probably we did. Let's go for recent. Sainsbury's fuel. So what we have noticed, obviously, just right now, is that it's a bit less responsive compared with Google Maps. With Google Maps, obviously, if you say find me this and that, it's not gonna literally type in find me and then it's gonna take you to a place which is called find me, and that's silly. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions regarding the app, chances might be we are going to do a video also on the phone, like actually the mobile application. If you guys will want us to do so, please comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video and all the good stuff. And not just that, but we have noticed that only 0.5% of the people watching these videos are subscribed. Guys, it's gonna help us a lot. You're gonna do us a massive favor if you're going to subscribe to the channel, right? We are on our way to 2K, so please be legendaries and subscribe to the channel. Help us in our efforts. Let's get that to like 2% or something like that subscribe ratio. Yeah, thank you very much. See you guys. Bye now.